This is Charlie with another Ayers Automotive Tip of the Week. By reading and understanding your warranty, you will know exactly what you're covered for, as well as who's authorized to do the repairs and maintenance. It's very important to keep proof of all repairs and maintenance on your vehicle, in case your warranty provider has questions about the maintenance and repair history. Plus, having these records will most likely increase the value of your car when you sell it.
For details, visit Ayers, that's Ayers, repairs.com. Join Ayers Repairs Car Club and receive over $780 worth of auto repair services for only $248.95, which is the best car care value. We'd like to thank Ayers Automotive Repair for supporting your moment of trust with timely advice from BBB of the Tri-Counties. Ayers Automotive Repair is a proud member of the Better Business Bureau, providing dependable, trustworthy auto repair services in Santa Barbara since 1979.